Okay, so another walkthrough of the garden. This would be our little tiny pumpkin patch, which has exploded due to the rain. Um, there's also some marigolds in there and a Cosmo. I got a couple of flowering strawberries, some potatoes, random pea. Our lettuce is trying to bolt, so I'm gonna have to cut it pretty soon. Onions are doing good. That mint is doing fantastic. It keeps trying to take over, which it's supposed to do. And then I've got all my spinach that's bolting, which I'm gonna let it go to seed and get more seeds. As you can tell, I have not gotten out here with a lawnmower or a weed eater. Got more lettuce trying to bolt. This mustard green has just gone insane, which is good. Got some kale, some dill. We harvested our first beet out of this the other day. It was pretty good, giant sized. We've got several more beets almost ready to go, some carrots that are getting there. Then I have some peas growing. Most of them are dying though. My sunflowers are doing okay. The dill is just going insane. I've got a couple of tiny little cucumbers that are getting ready to grow. I've got to put the netting up so that they can do well. Also checking for squash bug eggs because I saw a squash bug yesterday. But I also see a lot of spiders, so you know, might be okay. All right, and then over here to the green beans. I've got a few green beans that are producing. Sadly, my parsley has decided to give up the ghost, but the cilantro keeps flowering. Got some peppers, some actual jalapenos growing, some pretty good sized tomatoes going. Cajun bell, spicy hot peppers, things like that. Now, sadly, I found out too late that I had made a giant mistake with my corn. And I had not fed it enough. So it is, sadly, probably not going to produce this year. I got parsley here. I got some wildflowers, some okras, a good sage going, more sunflowers. I'm really happy about this little shishito pepper plant. It is just popping off. I've got a couple of bell peppers growing. I've got a dead bug and some cherry tomatoes, some plum tomatoes. Ooh, I've got some San Marzano coming. Nice. My Cherokee purple hasn't flowered yet. My mortgage lifter over there did, but I don't think it fertilized. Got some red growing there. All right, and then we got watermelon. Got some watermelon growing here that looks like it's doing okay. And some purple sweet potatoes. And over there I've got some more sweet potatoes. Come on, we'll head over there. Yeah, I know, it's overgrown and it's shaggy. I need to finish putting down cardboard and putting down mulch. But, you know what? It's working. So here I have a black sweet potato. Looks pretty good. And here I have a supermarket sweet potato that is still tiny, but there's still plenty of time for it to grow. Summer's a long time in Oklahoma. So, probably gonna pull that one, and one over here next few days for stuff. I don't have any cabbage moth like eggs or anything on the bottoms of my cabbage, but they're also not hitting. I'm not sure why. Dill's doing fantastic. Lettuce is doing great. I do like my peas. I do wish there were more. But you know what? I have some, and that's good enough for me. Got a bunch of ladybugs, too. I love that. Alright, so that's it for now. I hope you guys like that.